Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Swissquote to MetaTrader 5. And first of all, what you need to do is create your account by clicking here on sign up to create your account. I already created a video how to do that, so if you don't have an account already, please check that video out. Or you go to Google, search for demo account, go here to this link, fill in all the information right here, and then you will receive this email right here that I received too. Because from this email, you will receive this once you've filled everything in right here on this place. From this email, you can connect it to MetaTrader 5. So what we're gonna do from here is we click here on the MetaTrader 5 desktop download. So right now we click here on the exe setup and then he's downloading the exe file. Click here on next and now he's downloading right there. And then after the download is done, we need to fill in or login details from our mail, and that also for the password. And then we can connect Swissquote to MetaTrader 5. So now if you click here on finish, you will automatically open the MetaTrader 5. And then right now you will see this open an account right here. We click here on next and then we click here on connect with an existing trading account. And then make sure that you select Swissquote to a Swissquote server right there. And then what we're gonna do is, we copy the login to this place and we copy the password to this place right there. And then we click on finish. And then right now we just logged in with our Swissquote account on the MetaTrader 5. So this is how you can connect your Swissquote to MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.